Hello, it's Brandy Davison here. I'm a design team member with SpiegelMom Scraps for a quick how-to video of making a shaker sequin pocket out of a cut file. I am using a free cut file that Vicki Booten made available here this December of 3 little Christmas gnomes, and I have picked this gnome with the striped cap because I thought it would look really cool with the sequin showing through. And I just thought I would do a quick how-to. I had some scraps left over from Sparkle City from Chamel from a Christmas gift that I made this year sitting on my desk, and this gnome. And I recently got the Amethyst Geode sequin mix in the mail as part of the design team for SpiegelMom Scraps, and it was sitting on my desk as well. And they just were looking at me and staring at me, and they just looked too good together. So I thought, I am going to make a gnome. Not sure what I'm going to do with him yet, but I absolutely love him. He ends up looking a little bit like a wizard, in fact, but that's fine too. So just showing you here, what I'm doing is just backing the cut file first with some paper from the collection. And all I do simply is put some glue on the back of the area that I want to put the paper on. Have a size of paper that's just a little bit bigger than what it needs to be, stick it down, and then use my scissors. I have like the Tim Holtz fussy cutting scissors, or the Stampin' Up! Are the ones that I use as well to do this. And then I just turn it back over and cut outside of the, just outside of the cut file, or just inside of the cut file, so that I'm not cutting the cut file, but you can't see any extra. And one of the things you'll see that I did there is I actually took two of those. There's a few big of the large purple sequins there. You can see one on the kind of the right top part of the page. And I actually ended up using those for this little guy's boots. They just looked so perfect with the colors, and then they were a little bit shiny, and I thought that was kind of cool. So that's how I made the boots. I just stuck one down, and then I cut it off, and then used the other half to make the other boot. And for the beard, what you just saw there is I'm actually using the packages. I have the die cuts and the stamps and all, you can name it, from Sparkle City to make this gift. And I really liked the back of the packaging. It's that light purple, kind of an ombre with a little bit of a some pattern there, and that's what I ended up using for the beard. So here I am actually making the shaker pocket now. So what I've done is you flip it over, and then I use the thinnest sequin I have. The sequin is like the double-sided tape that tears, and I have the I think it's 3mm, it's tiny. And then I just use it to put sequin all the way the outside. So I don't cover those little lines, it's just all the way the outside to truly create a bit of a pocket. And then I peel that off. I put down some extra plastic packaging. I put down sequin again. I fill that with sequins, peel off the sequin and put extra plastic packaging, and then I just flip it over and simply cut around the plastic as if it was like regular paper that I was cutting a back file with. A cut file with, and that makes it so you're going to have an upside down guy, and then when you flip him over, he's perfect. And there he is, as you can see. He's super, super cute, this wizard. So super quick how-to for you guys. Remember to use Brandy15 on the SpiegelMom Scraps website for 15% off. Have a great December.